Today I'm going to show you how to build an exterior gate. So this is a pretty simple project. The main tools we're going to be using are the miter saw and a drill. So let's get chopping. Okay, so here's how I break down the measurements for all the pieces inside of a gate. Once you've established what the height and width of your gate are going to be, you do some simple math to figure out everything else. So your 4x4s that make up that left and right hand side of your gate, you subtract 1.5 inches from the total height of your gate. For that top cap, that is the full width that your gate is going to be. And those inside stretchers are going to be the full length of your top cap minus the width of two 4x4s. Once you figure all that out, you're ready to cut up your boards and then get on to assembly.